Hello, this is Michael Murray, president of the Academy of Aquatic Physical Therapy, and I am here in the pool to promote our upcoming pre-con course for CSM this year. It will be run by Marty Biondi on lower extremity exercises, and it's one of the first pre-cons we've done in a long time. We had a lot of requests for pre-con themselves, so we wanted to try and put on a great pre-con for everybody. Sign up is open now. If you go to csm.apta.org/registration, you do the register now button, and then you just sign in and you're ready to go. We have a cost of $330 for member and $430 for non-members, and you can register today. We do need to have a minimum of 8 people sign up for the course before December 17th. So if you're interested in this course, we need you to sign up ASAP so that we can put on the course for everyone to enjoy. But we're really excited about this opportunity, and if it goes well, we hope to do more in-pool courses, since that is a great member benefit and something that we hope to keep doing in the future as we try and provide you all with the best physical therapy options for the pool as possible. We hope you join us and have a great one.